How to change TikTok username before 30 days. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your account. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on Edit Profile right here. Tap on Username. So right here it says that you can change your username once every 30 days. But let's say you have changed your username and you want to change again right away. Well, it is impossible as it has not exceeded 30 days. But the one thing you can try doing is go back and head over to your profile. Tap on this menu icon at the top right and then head over to Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down and tap on Report a Problem. Once again scroll down and click on Submit a Report. It will land you on this interface. So in this section you need to enter the problem that you have been facing on TikTok. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. And once you are done, tap on Submit. There you go, your report has been successfully sent to the TikTok support. Now within 24 hours, the TikTok support will definitely come up with some solution for you. And then you'll be able to change your username. So that's all for today and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.